Hi, hello, and a very warm welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to discuss 8 key features every e-commerce website needs. That is 8 key features every e-commerce website needs. It only takes seconds for someone to decide whether or not they like your website. It doesn't matter what awesome content or irresistible items your online store is hiding. If everything a website should have isn't visible or non-existent on your homepage, you're going to lose potential buyers. A matter of seconds can make or break your e-commerce website. So grabbing your target audience's attention the moment they set eyes on your website is essential to succeed. But how can you be certain your website is complete with all the latest marketing techniques and key website features customers will expect to see the second they open your website? Now, lucky for you, I have compiled this list to make sure your business site has everything it needs. Without wasting any more time, let's begin with the first key feature that every e-commerce website needs, and that is a shopping cart. You need a shopping cart, you need a search bar, and you need a customer login option. So these three aspects are the absolute most essential features of any e-commerce store, and they're always listed together at the top of the website. The little shopping basket icon you see on every business page is an absolute necessity, as it is quite impossible to own an online store without providing a way for visitors to save and check out items. Now, if you have quite an array of products, a search box is a must-have, as it will help customers to find exactly what they're looking for quickly. Also, prompting your visitors to create an account for your site is a brilliant way to keep them coming back. Not only can they review their previous and current orders, they can create a wish list as well, and you can offer special deals to those who sign up, redeemable on their next purchases. So these three, that is a shopping cart, a search bar, and customer login, are absolutely essential features of any e-commerce website. Now, let's move on to the fourth key feature that you absolutely need on your website if you want to succeed in e-commerce. And that is a business logo. You need your own business logo. A logo is symbolic to your brand and what you represent. It is the visual image that everyone will associate with your business. It is the first impression. It is the face of the company, and ultimately a critical marketing tool. Remember, the design, whether it's simple, complex, or just a specific font you always use to write your business name, isn't the most important part. What matters is establishing your business logo and making it noticeable. A logo not only attracts a customer to your brand, but it forms reassurance to customers that your company is trustworthy. Remember that, that a logo, it doesn't just attract a customer to your brand, but it gives the customer that reassurance that, your company is trustworthy. Now, let's move on to the fifth key feature that is extremely important for any e-commerce website to succeed. And that is deals, special offers, and free stuff. Now, let me explain. What gains someone's interest faster than any marketing scheme out there? Saving money. People love deals. I love deals. You love deals. People love deals, and your site success will boom if you have all your latest deals, offers, and freebies listed right on your homepage. Right on your homepage. That is where you want to list all your latest deals, offers, and freebies. Creating sales will encourage people to buy more because they are saving more. Limited offers, they give customers the now or never drive to complete purchases while they are already on your site instead of saving it for later. And what's better than savings? Free shipping. People are more likely to not fulfill an order based on how much their shipping fee is. So, by cutting their shipping costs after spending a certain amount or even altogether will ultimately increase your sales. So make sure to advertise these great savings in an eye-catching manner on your website. Now, let's move on to the sixth key feature that any winning e-commerce website absolutely needs, and that is news on products. News on products. Are you premiering a new exciting item? Perhaps you have a bestseller you'd like to highlight, for example, or maybe an upcoming event. Customers want to know the latest news and hottest trends. So what better place to display such things than on your homepage? Drawing attention to these details at the get-go rather than forcing customers to search for hours to find them, not only boosts their satisfaction, but it allows you to maximize your success rate. Now, let's look at the next key feature, that is key feature number 7, that you need on your website if you want to absolutely turn it into a winning website. And that is contact information. It's a pretty given fact that buyers need to be able to communicate with sellers in case there are ever any issues, questions, or concerns. So, providing them with a support team is a great way to not just optimize your customer service abilities, but also to ensure you're meeting all of your customers' needs as well. Maybe a customer would like to, be reassured that if they buy from your website and an issue does arise, or maybe they have some questions or maybe some concerns, they want to have that reassurance that there is some contact information from where they can contact you from. So providing them with, this support team really is a great way to not just optimize your customer service abilities, but also to ensure you're meeting all of your customers' needs as well. Overall, establishing a 24-hour hotline or online chat and making both noticeable on your homepage is of high value to your e-commerce site. Now, let's move on to the last key feature feature, that is key feature number 8, that is extremely important if you want to make sure that you succeed in regards to your e-commerce website. And that is important links and icons. The bottom part of the screen on any website, contains smaller links and icons which provide further tools and information for visitors to access. Now, among these security icons, for example, payment system icons and social media links. So posting icons for all network solutions used to keep your site secure, like let's say, for example, McAfee or GeoTrust, will reassure customers that any transaction they complete on your site is safe. Another thing customers seek information on is what payment methods your site accepts. And so icons, for example, for PayPal, MasterCard, Visa, and any other payment system your site works with will also require a listing. In fact, in some cases, customers are not going to purchase anything until they confirm that the payment method that they prefer is actually an option on your site for them to pay through. For example, personally, I like to pay using PayPal. So when I visit a website to buy something, I always look for the payment methods icon. And if I don't see PayPal, then I simply click out of that particular website. So please make sure that your payment methods icons are visible so that customers can make a choice and decide whether they are going to buy something from your website. Of course, everyone engages in social media activities, and it's one of the leading marketing techniques nowadays. So provide links to your social media pages. For example, your Instagram. Maybe you have a YouTube account. Maybe you have a Facebook account, for example. Engage. Make sure that you engage with your customers on your social media activities through your icons, your social media icons, by ensuring that you provide links to your social media pages, as well as, the advantage of that is also that, people then will be able to share your page, your products, and your content. Now, this brings me to the end of this particular video, and I hope that you have benefited from this video, and I hope that you're going to use the key features that we have discussed in this video to make sure that you turn your visitors, the people who are clicking on your website into potential customers and sales. Now, if you found this video content helpful at all, then give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and of course, don't forget, if you wish, share this video with somebody else so that they can also benefit. Now, thank you very much, and I shall see you in our next video. Bye-bye.